Yes guys, what's going on? Hope you're keeping it clean. Okay, so the video that this is going to be in, I didn't record because I didn't think it would be video worthy. Because it was dark, you know, it's just a crane. I just wanted to get some pictures. But as you can tell by the title, I don't know what the title is yet, but as you can tell, you clicked on the video and you enjoyed it because you clicked that like button. I hope anyway, and you've clicked that notification bell, you clicked subscribe, you've told your friends about it. But anyway, this is just the intro. I'm just clarifying that I didn't make one because, well, there was no intention of making a video today, but just enjoy guys. Thank you for watching.
No, there's someone there. He's actually here.
Come here, I'll put the fucking dog in. Get here.
Yeah, sorry. Oh, that'd be mad. It's too shallow. Yeah, no, don't run. I'm just catching up with you.
This way.
You sure? No, this way.
No, this way. This wasn't here last time. This wasn't here last time.
Yeah, let's go.
Wait, this wasn't here last time.
Wasn't it?
It's just the machine stuff.
Yeah.
It's really like this.
Oh shit, Scotty, there's someone there. Mum's. Scotty, there's someone here, come. Yeah, there is. Mum's eyes, Mum's eyes. No, there's someone there. He's actually here. Yeah, sorry mate.
Get fucking here.
Yeah, we are. Scotty, come. Yeah, we are.
Get here.
Yeah, we are.
Don't come here, I'll put the fucking dog in. Get here.
Yeah, sorry.
Down.
Come on, Scotty.
Yeah, go on.
Down here.
We are. Huh? No, wait, Scotty.
What?
Come on, let's go.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Get here.
Yeah, we are.
We don't know how to get down.
We're sorry, we're coming.
We're trying to get down, but we're kind of stuck.
No, let's go. Come on, let's go.
Trying to get down, sorry.
I don't trust him.
Go round this way.
Yeah, sorry, we're getting down.
Oh, sorry, mate. We don't want no trouble, no?
Go round this way.
Alright, we don't want any trouble, no?
We're sorry, mate.
Sorry, mate.
Yeah,
We're getting down now.
Scotty, you lead.
Yeah. I don't know how to get down. Which way?
No, just go the same way we came.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, we're coming.
Yeah, we're coming.
Go.
Yeah, we can't get down that way.
Get down this way.
Scotty, you take lead. You take
You want
lead.
to take this way?
Go, just come down here.
We're coming down.
Yeah, we're coming. I mean, I don't trust this guy.
I don't trust you. We are recording fine. Get round here.
Yeah, we're coming.
Is the dog? Where's the dog?
Get down here. Don't worry about the fucking dog. What? You should be worried about me. Get
Yeah,
here.
but you're on record anyway, so like.
I don't care.
If
Get
you
here.
do anything
Scotty, we
rash,
need to escape.
like-
Get here.
Scotty, up
Yeah,
here.
but we don't know how to get down.
Right, you don't know how to get down. What you stood next to? A ladder. Get down the ladder.
Alright.
Here. Oi, Flipper, come down.
There's no way.
Paula!
Come on.
Bring me on the door!
Come on.
Come down.
Scotty, come. I need to go. Which way? This way, this way. Come, Scotty. Scotty, we need to escape.
This way.
Yeah, what way? Onto the scaffolding, yeah?
No, he's there.
What way?
He's there.
What?
He's there. Okay, we're coming down.
Where is he?
I thought he was like right behind us. Go there.
What way?
Across.
This way, this way.
Can you go that way? Can you go that way?
Yeah. Where is he? Where is he? Fuck. We fucked it.
Huh?
We fucked it. I don't know which way to go. I need to get out. Go. What way? This way.
Wait, what's up the door?
Scotty, we're gonna have to drop.
Uh-huh.
We're gonna have to drop.
No. Just
Why?
no way.
Oh, no, scaffolding.
Yeah,
Move.
yeah.
Scaffolding.
Wait. I'll say.
Where is he?
Do it. Where is he? Get eyes on.
No. We're out. Oh my god. We're out. Oh god. We're out of the sight. He seemed angry. Huh? Up on this wall. Scotty, quick. Scotty, hurry. They still think we're on that platform. What's that noise?
Dog.
Huh?
We did.
Come, let's go.
Send it out
Oh,
first.
we almost got beat up. No more. That was fucking close. Wait, let's go. Right, we need to make a run for it. No, not yet. Scotty, I say we go down here and up. Scotty, I don't think we should go over there yet. Should we? Should we just go down here? Yeah. Should we go down here? Yeah. Just to be safe. And then through sanitary gear. He's not allowed to let the dog out the site yet.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, fuck.
I have all of that on film, you know that? Is it still flashing?
Yeah, it's still flashing.
Oh,
Dylan, that was no joke. Oh my god, Dylan
oh god,
missed out.
Scotty. That was the maddest escape.
Dylan missed out so much.
That was the maddest escape.
No, yeah. You was like, take lead. And I was like, fuck.
No, and then I took lead.
And then I found that little down bit and I was like,
I climbed the top. Wait, who's that? Is that just a guy? Oh, that's a sanitary key guy. He's calm. He's so safe, that guy. He won't do fuck. He won't do jack. That's just a sanitary key guard. Alright, let's climb over. Let's get out of here. Oh my god, is that the sanitary key guy?
Yeah.
Or is that...
Dog, bro.
Oh.
He's chill.
Yeah.
Bro, I swear. I fucking shit myself, man. If you haven't already, make sure you go sub to James, man. Look at that shit.
Oh, gee.
I pushed it up, I think we'll try hiding the
Nah,
light.
it's gone. Alright, we turn it off now, yeah. Wait, how long was that? That was the craziest 20
That
minutes
was the
of my life.
scariest thing, guys. If you haven't already, go sub to my channel down below in the link description. Obviously, this is James's fucking... I didn't record because, you know, I didn't have my camera. It had one battery. But James came through with the GoPro Hero 3, just like mine as well. But guys, that was mad. If you did enjoy, make sure you go sub to James's channel down in the description. Make sure, obviously, hit that like button. And make sure you subscribe. Show your friends, show your family.
Hey, get in my way and try to block me, I'ma show aggression. Slide on your block like Danny Glover with a lethal weapon. I fucked your thought, she gave me top, I guess that's my confession. Got no regrets, I made mistakes.